Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you watched my last video, if you was remotely interested in the sucker pad suction mount that I bought for my cameras, I think I did a drive with the Osmo 360 DJI Osmo 360. But it also can be used for other cameras, of course. I sent that one back. That was by a company called Neewer, Neewer. Now it worked well, it held on well. I had the tether. I'd done a good run with it. Now the reason I sent it back was I was not happy. If you look at Amazon, look at the link. I'm just not keen on the fitment on the end where it screws into the base and the camera. I found this one, KNF Concept. Yes, it's KNF Concept yet again. If you watch my bag video, you'll know that most of my bags are by a company called KNF Concept. There they are. It's the 6-inch camera suction cup mount. Now I'll just show you the difference between this one. You get two rubber little rings. They'll show you what they're for in a moment. You've got the instructions there, and 2 Allen keys. When we open up the box, again I bought this out of my own pocket. It was not a free gift. You open up the box. It's a 6-inch mount. One negative to this, only the one, is that it can't pull right out, but that pops out. But once it's sucked in, and it's it's me pulling it, but it's a 6-inch base or 6.5. So I'm hoping it won't be too big. I'm hoping it will still fit on the contours of your vehicle, depending on how curved it is. You need to put it on like a flat base. Of course, if it's smaller, you need less of an area. So, but if your bodywork on your car's curved, I'm hoping this will sit on it okay. I've tried it on the wall so far, on the glass and the mirror. It sucks really, really well, which it should do. They all do, to be fair. But the reason I bought this one is that is so much better. The bit that screws on top. But you got what's called the ARRI mounts. They're the 2 little pins which basically slots into the top there. Let me just show you. I'll just screw that in. The locking mechanism, in my mind, is a lot better. This actual bit, that not necessarily this, but this. Must admit, I did prefer the look of the Neewer base, but this arm is so much better. It locks on really nice there. You got little holes there, so you can put an Allen key in there to tighten it right up if you want. I don't know if you can see it there, but you've got little tiny rubber rings on there, so it gives you like a little bit of a smooth movement. The other arm was a bit poor compared to this. The sucker pad on the other one was, I think, better. I'm sure the other one had a metal button there and it didn't pull out. That concerns me a little bit. That doesn't pull right out. You have to physically pull it out. I mean, it doesn't fall out. But yeah, this arm is so much better. It's made of, I think it's aluminium block, anodized aluminium. Got all the mounting holes in it, but you really only need the camera mounted there. But you could put 2 or 3 cameras on that. It can take some good weight, this one. As could the old one, the new one. But if you look at the mount there as well, just you got that little bit there, if you can see it. You can see that. I just like the way that screws up better. These obviously, if you haven't got that at the bottom of your camera, they just pop in and spring loaded. So I can use the Osmo 360 on that. I can use the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 on that. I can use all the different sorts of cameras on that. It just feels so much better. And also you get 2. You shouldn't need them, but you get 2 spare rubber rings there for that in the bag. A couple of Allen keys. One Allen keys for these screws here. Should you ever need to take this off, but you don't need to. The other Allen key I just use as a little like wedge in there, little hole edge at the time, and nice and tight. But it just feels so much better. I'm hoping that suction pad is not too big. You have to find a flat surface of your car. If I take this cover off, I mean, it's quite flexible, so it should be fine. I've not used this one yet. I've used the other one. I'm sure this will be good. If I go to get around to using this at the weekend, I'll be sure to do a little video if you're interested. These are great little mounts. I mean, like I say, that it just feels so much better, and it was about the same price. But this wasn't in a sale. Sent the other one back. You do get mounts for this as well. You get your standard type GoPro type mount for that as well if you want, for the KNF Concept thing, and you also get a phone mount with a hole in the side there. That's quite nice, curved. It's a nice feel to that. There's a hole in the back there for you to mount on the arm, and there's a hole in the top there to mount the arm. Would I trust my phone on a mount? Not on a vehicle, I wouldn't. But don't forget these suction cup mounts are not just for vehicles. They're for sticking against your wall, side of your PC or your desk or something like that anyway as well. But as opposed to using a clamping type system, you can use a suction mount. I won't be using that at all. I've got other mounts for that. I'll be just using this for the like car stuff and driving around. This is by KNF Concept. Coincidentally, as I said before, all my bags are by KNF Concept, but they make some good quality equipment. If you're interested in this one, the newer one's still decent, but if you're interested in this one, I'll put a link below. Have a little look, see what you think on the Amazon. If you use that link, it helps support the channel. I get a tiny commission, not a lot, but yeah, I like it. It just feels much better. Disappointed with that, I suppose it's just me pulling it, but you pump that, and if you haven't watched my other video, you pump that about 10 times, the white line disappears, and it stays in like that. You know, it sucks onto the mount. Watch my other video. I'll link to it a bit up above or below or at the end of this, and you'll see what I mean. But the arm just feels so much better. I had a sweet spot for the other one. I think it had a red knob and a red, I don't know of it, and a metal knob. But anyway, there you go. That's the KNF Concept one. I think it's a little bit better. A couple of quid dear, I think. I think the other one I got in the sale for 30 something. This was 40, I think. Anyway, if you're interested, check out my other videos and like, subscribe, and you'll see the video of this coming up soon when I take this out with another camera on top. I'm waiting for the better weather. The UK, it's been dire at the moment. Really, really poor. I want to get some nice sun, evening and morning shots or evening shots along the seafront, all lit up, or down some country lanes. Not happening at the moment, but anyway, I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.